Let's learn the colors. Red. Blue. Yellow.
Johny Johny Yes Papa, eating sugar no Papa, telling lies no Papa, open your mouth ha 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 ha.
Yay! Green. Orange.
Johny Johny Yes Papa, eating candy no Papa, telling lies no Papa, open your mouth ha ha ha.
Here is a healthy ice cream.
Thank you! Mommy, I want some ice cream!
No, sweetheart. You already had one.
Uncle, I want some ice cream!
I have an idea. Let's make some healthy ice cream. Let's put it into the freezer.
Here is your watermelon ice cream! Thank you! Thank you! Yeah! Whoa! He stole my ice cream!
Yikes!
Ha!
Thank you! Thank you! Mine! No, mine!
Mine.
Mine!
You guys need to share. Otherwise, toys will break.